Hey friends, Lee Brown here from My Kitchen, My Rules, letting you know that we're gonna have a live feed right here on Thursday morning on Thanksgiving. If you'd like to cook along with me and make the best cranberries ever, so good that your family is actually gonna wanna stay at your house, actually probably longer than they should. You wanna have some cranberries, that's ingredient number one. Ingredient number two is either a hard cider or a regular apple cider or apple juice, some kind of an appley liquid. You need Dixie crystal sugar because how do you really have a holiday without Dixie crystals? And then you need honey flavored whiskey. I've got Evan Williams honey because it was on sale at the ABC store, but you could also try the Jack Daniel's cinnamon if you want. I might try this new Wild Turkey Sting, which has ghost pepper in it because I think the kick might be amazing. So make sure that you're tuned in because there's also a special announcement. My cookbook is gonna be ready for pre-order and could be your best Christmas present ever. I'll see you on Thanksgiving.